HVAC system is the one in the industry who consumes largest power. So whenever energy saving or energy audit is to be targeted for any industry or for any commercial complex, then its HVAC system is a first candidate. So this course talks about different aspects of HVAC. It starts with what is HVAC system. Commercially used HVAC systems, they are vapor compression based or vapor absorption based. So they are being talked in detail. Then different terminologies which are used in HVAC system, they are talked in this video. How heat transfer takes place and how energy saving is possible in this HVAC system is discussed in detail. Different refrigerant, their nomenclature, their property and their selection process. If we understand this, then we can understand HVAC in a better way. Psychrometric chart is related with air conditioning process, so that has been explained. Then comes different types of compressors. Different compressors as well as their characteristics with respect to particular application, they are talked of. Performance assessment standard which are being adopted by different industries like COP, EER ratio and all. Their detailed discussion is done over here. Then how energy saving is possible in cold chains as well as heat pump, that is discussed, as well as for ventilation system also. And lastly, the most important topic of this video series is discussed, that is how to save energy in existing as well as newly coming up system. Couple of suggestions are there, checkpoints are there, thumb rules are also discussed. So this will help to save energy for the HVAC system. And lastly, for a building design, how HVAC is critical and how the consumption is very high if the building is not properly designed. That guidance is also shared. So the content, if we go in a very fast way, it is like this. In initial slide, it is discussed that why HVAC has a major energy consumption compared to other system and why it has to be targeted. Then basic processes in any HVAC system which takes place are being explained. Then a vapor compression cycle, their thermodynamic concepts, their working, they are being explained in this series. Same is for vapor absorption system also. Different refrigerants, their properties, their nomenclatures, their suitability and their other properties related to atmosphere, they are narrated over here. Which compressor is to be used in a particular HVAC system, that we can understand by knowing different compressors. So basic 4 compressors starting from centrifugal, reciprocating, scroll and screw compressors, they are discussed in detail. Hermetically sealed and non-hermetic compressors, their difference is been explained. Then as just mentioned, how to save energy in cold chains and ventilation system, they are explained over here. Some of the suggestion which comes over here, they are summarized in this introductory video, like how to use VAF or how to have energy calculation, energy assessment to be done for existing plant, that is considered. Selection of right insulation and their costing, their thickness, how to decide the thickness, it is explained. What is a heat recovery well and how it can help to exchange the heat between air which is going out in a ventilation system and the fresh air which is entering to the room. So how that heat exchange can be made and what is the economic calculation behind that, that is explained. How to select better fans, heli fans to have a better air circulation as well as reduced power consumption. Some more energy saving measures like how to go with reflective coating, what is duct leakage, how to measure the duct leakage and what is its impact on the overall performance. How to have a roof tops to be designed to minimize energy gain or to isolate it from the atmosphere, that is discussed. So summarizing, this is the content of this video. Around 7 to 8 video series lectures are there for this topic and it will make you understand these different topics by learning it. Thank you.